Hey geeks, welcome to the Geek. Today we'll be getting started with our second part of the video, that is Python's current trend dominating the tech landscape. How is it today and how is it going to be tomorrow? And why are we considering Python so much? So we'll know all of it in this video. So talking about the current trend, what makes Python the king is that it's number one, be it in Git or TIOB ranking. So you can see that Python maintains top position among all the existing programming languages in 2025, and you see GitHub filled with Python resources. The second thing is market share. 23.28% of the market share of Python is almost globally exceeding and standing out of all the other programming languages. So it's kind of nearly quarter of all the programming languages, which is a big thing. And most important thing is available libraries. So I did say you there are many built-in libraries available in Python, right? So we have 72k plus libraries. So to name a few, Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. So there are many libraries built in already. So it makes people very efficient and easy to use them, right? So these are the current trend, why it's so important and famous for all of us all around. And talking about the real world impact. So okay, we are talking about all of these numbers, but where are they actually used? Are there any applications? Yes. So in our day-to-day life, we have billions of people using some of the famous applications, right? Be it Instagram, Uber, Netflix, Spotify. So these are the applications where Python is acting as a backbone to these, and it's serving billions of peoples. So what more can you ask for? You're already using things on a day-to-day basis, so you're already into Python, right? Talking about the future of Python. So, okay, we are using all of this today, but do you guarantee that it will be there in the future? Yes, there are some of the points which tells yes. The answer is yes, it will be there in 2025 and beyond. So, to talk about a few domains, these are very few listed, but they're n number. But the main, most foremost things are robotics and IoT. So in robotics, if some of you are from the robotics background, you will know that robot operating system, right? So these are the frameworks. Python frameworks are already being built in here. MicroPython, right? So be it in sensors, embedded systems, they're already there. They're coded in Python. And if you talk about IoT, Internet of Things. So you know these smart homes today. We have mobile operating homes. We have automations all around our home. So be it in Alexa or any example as you take. So there is Python. Secondly, enhanced security and type checking. So Python provides robust kind of a security using the tools like MyPy and Pydantic. Okay, this increases your code robustness and it'll help having your code bug free, okay, which will in turn help us give the reliability for our applications. So this is the foremost important to all of us, right? Security is something very important. Thirdly, cloud native development. So when you talk about cloud, you would have heard common cloud applications or platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. So all of these embrace Python again, right? So we have scalable applications without any infrastructure management. So the list goes on, but these are the most famous thing that guarantees and tells us the future of Python, how it is shaping. And talking about next, okay, this is for the few years, but how about decades? Will Python still be relevant for decades? Yes, Python will be relevant for decades because even when we talk about the most further applications or tools where we focus Python, okay, be it in AI, we are all talking about AI, quantum computing, blockchain applications, next generation applications, researches. Okay, all of this already have Python as the backbone. We all have things in mind. Okay, there are n number of beautiful things that can be developed with Python, right? And by the end of 2025, you will also see that there are many projects coming up. Talking about the open source contributions, you see Python, everyone are contributing, everyone are Python developers today. You talk about web, AI, automation, scientific computing, there's versatility in technology. You talk about the educational foundation. So universities worldwide have made Python subject to be very important and the most focused amongst the other programming language, because this will help us give the steady developers, and we'll have more on open source contributions coming up and more projects, and thus increase the capitality. And you talk about many industries, many corporations, investment, banking, so everywhere Python is a backbone. So definitely with this we can say that it will stay for decades as well. Talking about your future proof as career, so with all of these I do know that now you are so familiar with Python, you do know how it has impacted, it is impacting, and it will always impact, right? So this is the main reason why today if you learn, you can definitely dream a cutting edge future in data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. So let's get started with our Python series with this josh and enjoyment. Until then, see you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Thank you.